The Market Maker's Edge Book Overview. Day Trading Tactics from a Wall Street Insider by Josh Lukeman is a powerful guide to understanding the inner workings of market makers, the institutional traders who control order flows, influence price movements, and create the liquidity that retail traders depend on. Written from the perspective of a former Wall Street insider, this book equips traders with the tools, mindset, and tactics needed to navigate and profit from modern markets. Lukeman breaks down essential concepts such as risk management, technical indicators, and psychological discipline, offering a structured approach to trading that blends professional insights with practical execution strategies. At its core, The Market Maker's Edge is about leveling the playing field for independent traders by revealing how market makers think, execute trades, and manipulate order books. Lukeman begins by explaining the fundamental role of market makers in financial markets, detailing how they provide liquidity, manage spreads, and profit from price inefficiencies. He then transitions into tactical applications, teaching traders how to read Level 2 data, spot institutional activity, and execute trades with minimal slippage. The book emphasizes a disciplined, risk-controlled approach, ensuring traders avoid common pitfalls like over-leveraging, emotional trading, and chasing momentum. One of the book's standout features is its focus on risk management, a principle that differentiates successful traders from those who consistently lose money. Lukeman introduces a simple yet effective framework for evaluating trade setups, limiting downside risk, and maximizing reward potential. He stresses that mastering risk is more important than predicting market direction, a crucial lesson for traders looking to sustain profitability in the long run. Additionally, the book provides clear strategies for identifying high-probability trade opportunities using a combination of technical indicators, volume analysis, and order flow insights. Beyond strategies, Lukeman delves deep into trading psychology, a crucial yet often overlooked component of success. He explores the psychological traps that cause traders to make impulsive decisions, hold losing positions, or abandon well-planned strategies under stress. The book provides techniques to develop emotional resilience, discipline, and a patient mindset, qualities essential for thriving in volatile markets. He also explains the importance of adaptability, showing how traders can evolve their strategies in response to changing market conditions. One of the most valuable aspects of The Market Maker's Edge is its real-world applicability. Unlike books filled with theoretical concepts, this one is packed with actionable strategies backed by real market scenarios. Lukeman includes case studies of successful trades, dissecting each step from entry to exit. He also provides insights into how hedge funds and institutions operate, shedding light on how retail traders can position themselves strategically to take advantage of market inefficiencies. What to read and why. Understanding Market Makers, Chapters 1 to 3, learn how market makers control price action, manage liquidity, and execute large trades without moving the market. This section is crucial for traders looking to anticipate institutional moves. Risk Management and Position Sizing, Chapters 4 to 5. These chapters teach how to protect capital, avoid excessive losses, and trade with a structured risk-reward approach. Essential for longevity in trading. Technical Strategies and Order Flow, Chapters 6 to 7. This section dives into reading Level 2 data, spotting accumulation/distribution zones, and trading with market makers rather than against them. Trading Psychology and Discipline, Chapters 8 to 9, understand the emotional traps that ruin traders and develop the mindset required to trade with confidence and consistency. Final thoughts. The Market Maker's Edge is an essential read for anyone serious about trading. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the book offers deep insights into the mechanics of the market and provides a clear framework for developing a professional trading approach. Lukeman's experience as an institutional trader gives this book a level of credibility that sets it apart from typical retail trading guides. By internalizing the lessons in this book, traders can gain a significant edge in the market, avoid costly mistakes, and develop a structured, disciplined approach that leads to consistent profitability.